For Astra Lumina, we found the inspiration in nature itself, looking at the night sky and dreaming about the relationship between the stars and the humankind. The creative team will transpose the story world in different chapters using light, video, and music. Then we will create a storyboard, like in a movie, with specific timings. Then we will pass this storyboard to the music composer to create a first draft of the music, on which we will do the animation. There are more than 100 people that work on developing the creation of Astra Lumina. From content creators to lighting designers, everything is created and tested in-house. We always look to create a variety of effects and emotion for the audience.